Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok have become integral parts of our daily lives. These platforms are used to share personal and professional moments with friends, family, and even the general public. Accounts on these platforms vary between public accounts, which anyone can view, and private accounts that require the account owner's approval for viewing. Differences between public and private accounts. Public accounts are accounts that any user on the platform can view and follow without prior permission from the account owner. In contrast, private accounts require the account owner's approval to allow others to view their content. This enables users to maintain their privacy and control who can see their posts, photos, and videos. Differences between Instagram and TikTok accounts. Instagram is more focused on photos, short videos, and interaction through stories and live broadcasts. TikTok, on the other hand, is characterized by short musical and creative videos that heavily rely on visual and audio effects, with a greater emphasis on challenges and viral content. Why private Instagram or TikTok account posts cannot be viewed. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok protect users' privacy by preventing anyone without the account owner's permission from viewing private posts. This means that if an account is private, its content is hidden from the public and can only be viewed by approved followers. Financial rewards paid by companies for protecting private accounts. Social media companies pay substantial amounts to bug bounty hunters who discover and report security vulnerabilities. For instance, Facebook, which owns Instagram, has paid significant sums to security researchers who identified critical security flaws. In 2021, Facebook paid over $2 million to bug bounty hunters for their reports on security vulnerabilities. TikTok also has a bug bounty program where it compensates security researchers for discovering security flaws. Tips for protecting your content and privacy. 1. Make your account private. Adjust your privacy settings to make your account private so no one can follow your account without your approval. 2. Regularly review your followers. Ensure you know the people following your account and that they are trustworthy. 3. Use strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for your social media accounts to prevent hacking. 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Utilize two-factor authentication to enhance your account security and prevent unauthorized access. By following these tips, you can enhance your privacy and protect your personal content on social media platforms.